Alright, today we're gonna retake a car wash that I haven't been to in almost 4 years, so let's give it a go. I think I can go in this way and go around. This truck might be the better idea. Or I might have to wait till this truck is out of the way. Probably squeeze by, but I thought it was blocked out for a second, but yeah. No, car wash is working. It says ready. So yeah, it's this ChoiceWash that replaced an Istobal like 4 or 5 years ago now. Yes, okay. This car does have an exterior antenna, so I did take it off, and I left the wrench in here so I wouldn't forget. So yeah, this is the first time the van's going through a soft touch wash. So there you go, and then you can see there, touch-free. Those switch those to are touch-free. These two are normal soft touch. Missed that last time I was here. Okay, yeah. Tires protection. It's probably just ceramic for another $2.
Please insert payment now.
And since this is not my car, I don't have to use my own card. Oh, I guess I have to select the payment. Oh, it's these funky screens. Now it says use chip reader. By the way, first video on my new phone, S23. So, also video test for that.
Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Alright, there she is. I want to get my thumbnail. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, there, that'll do it. Back to wide angle. It's a big vehicle, so I have to maneuver between those two guardrails, but no treadles, so. Let me turn down the fan. Yep, make sure all the windows are up. Alright, this van's first soft touch wash, and it's a good one indeed. There's our dry foam, looks like. Alright, here we go. The van is actually pretty dirty, so it needs a good thorough wash. Let's see now, the front brushes are doing their thing. I was curious to see how this machine would do around a big vehicle like this. Another pass. Definitely needs it. Side brushes always do better when the machine is going from back to front instead of front to back. One touch-free pass. There it says the max protection, even though I didn't get that. Probably just a placeholder for clear coat or water repellent. That's probably our spot free right there. Maybe. Yep. Oh, I gotta put my seatbelt back on. Is it a minute and 15 seconds? That's pretty good. Glad they still have the older motor dryers. Pretty good. Plenty of time, so definitely want to go slowly. Seems like a pretty good wash. I'll get some after pictures because I did get some before pictures as well. So compare before and after. Three, two, one. All right, well, it seemed like a pretty solid wash as usual for Circle K, so hope you all enjoyed. We'll get back and do some after pictures. Thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all back in my car, hopefully.